Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix INFINIX Note 60 won't charge. So first, take your cable and just clean right here the tip. Also, you can clean the charging port on your phone. It is right here on the bottom. Don't use any metallic tools, just wooden sticks or the compressed air will do. You can try swapping the cables and adapters. You can try restarting your phone by clicking the power button and the volume up button and holding it together for around 10 seconds. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.